King. Thanks. Beautiful day today in Tokyo. I am so fresh after an amazing sleep. Taylor had a pretty terrible sleep.
I had a hard time.
So jet lag is really fighting against us, but we're powering through. I've got a cold. It's okay. Basically today we're just going to eat some snacks to keep its cold us over, but we heard about this really good ramen place, so we're going to go and get ramen from this place, but it's quite a long wait apparently, so we're filling our stomachs with some delicious Japanese snacks.
From 7-Eleven.
From 7-Eleven. So you get these things called onigiri, which is like a little triangle of rice filled with stuff. And we've got, oh, fried chicken.
That one's
yeah.
That one's really good.
And they have these like vending machines that do
hot drinks.
Yeah, so this is a plastic bottle with hot coffee in it that you just get from a vending machine. They're great. Always easy to caffeinate. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Oh yeah. And I got milk tea, which is like everywhere. It's really good. That one's hot too.
Apparently it's like kind of rude to walk around with food and drink stuff while you're walking around, so you're meant to like either stand at the side of the road or the street and eat it, or go somewhere and eat it. So.
Yeah, so that's a little unfortunate because I guess we can't walk around and eat.
Alright, so that's it from here. We are filled our bellies for now, and so we're gonna peace out and get some ramen. And then do a food tour with some other unknown deliciousness.
We'll vlog it.
So now we're gonna pretend to leave as if we're walking to a ramen, but really I have to get back and get my camera anyway, so. Alright, see ya.
See ya.
Alright, just leaving now. Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, here we go.
No need to bring a purse.
No, that's it. That's
or a jacket. Bye.
Bye.
Let's go.
Right,
they can still see.
Okay, cool.
It's okay.